Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to paint these beautiful abstract loose watercolor flowers. These flowers are very stress-free, they are unique, and they will be different for everyone because we are letting the colors flow. So let's see how we can paint these beautiful flowers. I have my watercolor paper, I have my watercolors, and I'm going to use this big brush to start with. It's a number 6 mop brush, and I have my water, and I also have my paper towel. So let's get started. So in this particular one, I will be choosing a violet shade and a little bit of blue. So I'll just jump in these two colors, and lastly we will use a black gel pen to give more details and give it abstract look, or just doodle around some things on the flower. So now I will be using very watery consistency, so I'm not taking any paint, it's just a little bit of purple, you know, and I just dipped it in water. So I have lots of water in my brush, and I'm just going to make few petals for each of the flower. So let's make a full flower here. As you can see, it's a lot of water on the sheet, but don't worry, we will make it work. So just have an idea that I'm just placing 5 blobs of color, 5 blobs of water next to each other, and it looks like a flower. And then I will be making another one here. It's going to have petals here, and one I will place here. As you can see right now, I'm using the purple pigment. It's very watery and very light. Let's place a little bud here like that. Let's place one flower here as well. Like that. And I will place one more bud here. Take we will start adding this blue in the random places while the purple color is still wet. So place them where you feel like, just freely, no stress. Like that. And while all of this is still wet, I'm going to use my black gel pen, and it is not a waterproof pen, and we want the pen that can, bleed a little bit with the watercolors. So what I'm going to do is I'm lightly, very loosely, just going to place the center however I want. So I'm just placing a circle, then I'll just try and make some, the center part of the flowers like that, and you can see how it is merging with the watercolor. And then I'm loosely going to outline each of the petal. Actually, we are not going to outline, we are overlining each of the petals. So be very loose, hold the pen from a little bit far, and then just go over to whatever you feel like. in the same way, I'm going to do the other flowers. So this one as well. I've just added a blank petal, just the outline. It looks very good and aesthetic. And let's add this one. Like this. I'm going to double line everything. So double lining is just, I'm going to go over the lines that I've drawn just now. It's going to give very rustic and abstract-y feel to the whole painting. Let's add the stems to these flowers. And you do not have to be perfect with these, so just relax and enjoy. If you want, you can add a little bit leaves. Let's do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this olive green color, and I'm just going to just make some flowery leaves, kind of, not giving much detail. It's very loose, so do not focus much on the, the shape. And I'm just going to very loosely blend this with the background. I want it very loose and blended. I will let it dry for some time now. So this is the final look of the abstract flowers that we have painted, very loose and yet very relaxing. So if you enjoyed today's tutorial, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. And till then, take care. Bye bye.